Hey there! Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels make huge amounts of money with simple kids learning videos? Channels like Income and Digital Income Project have figured it out. With over 800K subscribers and monthly earnings ranging from 6.6K to 105.9K, they're killing it. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create similar videos using AI in just a few minutes. We'll break down the process into 5 easy steps, so make sure to watch till the end. Without further ado, let's dive in. Step 1. Story generating with ChatGPT. First of all, we need a script for our video. To generate the script, we'll use ChatGPT. For better results, I'm using the AI PRM prompt guide. If you're unfamiliar with AI PRM, you can watch one of my previous videos where I explain how to use it. Once you have installed AI PRM, find the YouTube script generator and provide the prompt. Write a child learning video script about various birds. ChatGPT will generate a captivating YouTube video script with proper instructions about visuals and content. Copy only the host part of the text and paste it into a document file such as Google Docs. Then copy the entire script and paste it into the same document file. This completes our first step. Step 2. Audio generation with AI. In the second step, we will generate the voice for our video using a text-to-speech AI called Credo AI. If you are new to Credo AI, click on the free trial and create an account with your email and password. Verify your email address after successfully creating the account. Once you're logged in, click on AI text dubbing and select your preferred language and voice model. Go back to your document file, copy the first paragraph of your script, and paste it into the Credo AI text box. Click on Audition to hear the output.
Hello there, little explorers. Welcome to our amazing world of birds.
If you are satisfied with the voice, click on Confirm. Otherwise, change the voice model and audition again until you are satisfied. When you are satisfied, click on Create New and select AI. Now click on Create New Release. Again, go back to the document file, copy the second paragraph, and paste it into the Credo AI text box. After listening to the output, click on Confirm. Repeat this process until you convert all paragraphs of your script. After converting the entire script, download all the audio files in ascending order. This completes our voice generation step. Step 3. AI animation generation with Adobe Express. For animation, we will use Adobe Express, a free AI animation tool. Once you are in Adobe Express, click on Make Animation for YouTube. Select a funny character for your video since we are targeting children, and funny characters keep them engaged. After selecting the character, click on Background and choose a custom color. Then select the video size as YouTube video size. Now upload your first audio clip or simply drag and drop it into the designated area. Adobe Express will take some time to generate the animated character with our audio. Once the generation process is complete, click on Download to save the video. After downloading the video, click on Back to Editing, followed by Replace Audio. Select the character, change the background if needed, and upload the second audio clip. Repeat this process for all the audio clips. This completes our third step. Step 4. Background generation with Canva. In Step 4, we will use Canva to create animated footage for our video. If you are new to Canva, create an account using your email. After creating an account, click on Video and select YouTube Video. Upload all the animated videos generated by Adobe Express. After uploading the animated videos, click on Elements and search for Forest Background. Select a suitable background image and adjust it to the video size. To adjust the video size, refer to the animated video's duration in your upload folder. For example, if the first video was around 17.7 seconds, adjust the timer to 18 seconds for perfect synchronization in the editing section. Now go back to the Elements section and add some animated trees to make the video more visually appealing. Search for animated trees, select them, and position them in the background image according to your preferences. Additionally, add some birds to the video's background since we are making a video about birds. Once everything looks beautiful, download the background image. Now go back to the Google Docs document and find the first bird mentioned in our script, which is a peacock. Return to Canva, search for a peacock in the Elements section, select a suitable image, and adjust its size. Here comes the amazing feature of Canva. Click on Animate, then select Create an Animation. Drag the peacock to the desired position, and you will see the peacock moving around in the background. Download the video after making these adjustments. Delete the peacock from the video and add the second bird mentioned in the script, which is a parrot. Repeat this process for all the birds mentioned in the script and download the videos accordingly. This completes our fourth step. Step 5. Editing the AI animation video. In step number 5, we will edit the videos and give the final touch to our video using Wondershare Filmora as our video editing software. You can use any video editing software of your choice. Import all the animated videos and background videos into the software. Insert the first background video in the video layer 1 and the first animated video into video layer 2. Select video layer 2 and enable the chroma key function in your editing software. Adjust the animated character's position according to the background. For the second animation where no bird is mentioned, you can use the same background. Insert the second animated video on layer 2, enable chroma key, and adjust the character's position. Adjust the length of the background layer to match the duration of the animated layer. Repeat this process for the remaining animated videos. Once the editing process is complete, click on the export button to export the final product. Congratulations, our animation video is now complete. Let's play the video.
Hello there, little explorers. Welcome to our amazing world of birds. Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey to learn all about these fascinating creatures that soar through the skies. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From tiny hummingbirds to majestic eagles, they are truly remarkable. Let's discover some of these incredible birds together.
With just a little research and effort, you can create a fantastic kids learning video using this method. After creating the video, upload it to your YouTube channel and generate passive revenue. I always recommend spending time on editing and selecting your topics, as this will yield better results. I would love to hear about your experience creating kids learning videos. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep creating.